For those who don't know, you don't know. For those who know, you know. So all who under the stand going to drop down upon you. Overstand what dancehall is. This is Beenie Man, the king of the dancehall, Zaka.
Dancehall music is a musical struggle and survival and liberation, and still you must deal with it and accept it like how it come to you.
Clean, they see me look baby fresh, F-I-E-S-H fresh.
Dancehall is, as I must say, is like one of the greatest music, one of the best ways to express yourself.
And that's why me a put in the work fi go get the paper, hustle for the house, the elevator.
See more time, only for people have things to say about it, is it? More time the music, some of the artists, them dancehall artists, them like Javinci and Conscience, all them man, is it?
Yeah.
Dancehall in between and more while them always talk some lyrics, is it? Like encourage and make you pray things and see how it is, it?
Yeah.
Meds like how we say. Well, I meds that.
If we look at dancehall's musical content, some of it is negative, some of it is positive. And even beyond looking at what's negative or what's positive, if you look at the themes in the music, which have always been there, you have guns and girls, sexuality, you have God, you have people singing about dance moves, all kinds of things are there. Because the most available ones are the ones you hear about, guns and girls and sexuality, that's what's making us think that the totality of the thing is, you know, it's 90% bad.
I mean, how can you not gravitate to something that makes you want to move?
You know that. It's one of the dance forms that comes out of the heart of the people. And anything that comes out of the heart of the people have a certain level of passion, have a certain level of spirituality. That is, from the dance and concerned, is second to none. It's truthful. It tells you the true nature of the people that dance.
On a bag of long talking, do something, do something, do something, do something, and a bag of long talking, no, just do.
Well, the dance style benefits Jamaica because it's just like reggae music, puts us on the map. People all over the world want to learn dancehall dancing, and as a matter of fact, people all around the world are doing dancehall dancing.
And me getting to showcase my talent, you understand me, to people out there, you understand me, and it's a great feeling.
Creative, different, full of energy. Like, there's a different spirit over here, you can see, you know? Different thing.
And a bag of long talking, fit nothing, just do something, do something, do something, do something, and a bag of electricity.
Jamaica, Jamaica, fun time. We all are one, yeah, party time. Tonight we are celebrate life.
Dancehall culture is a very rich cultural space. It has a lot of different facets that are very important for Jamaican development.
Tonight we are go hold our vibes, no warring and strive. Oh Lord, out of many one people.
I would like people to see dancehall as a positive expression of the creativity of largely working class people who are found a medium for upward social mobility. Over the weekend a man came up to me, dancehall is 90% bad, why aren't we getting rid of it? And I had to break it down to him to say, ultimately, if we did that, if without examining exactly what dancehall is and what it means, we'd be getting rid of ourselves.
The action,